Good afternoon, everybody. So today I am going to be installing an Invidia N1 T-tip exhaust. So I got all the parts here. The Invidia. I love the size of that tip. That's a nice tip. So let's get to install it. So the first thing you got to do, you got to get the car up high enough that you can get underneath it, because the Invidia N1 comes with the mid pipe and the back half, so you need to be able to get all the way underneath the car. Alright, so you can start by taking off the back half here. Unfortunately, I do not have that on right now. So you can locate it. You have to, the easiest way is to lube these things up with some WD-40 first. And it makes it a lot easier just to slide the old exhaust right out. In my case, mine was rusty a little bit, so it was really stuck in there. 4 of those there. And then you're gonna have to take off 2 bolts right here to take this back off. And then you can go ahead and take off the rest of the piping. Get that all the way down. So if you get your car high enough off the ground, it's great because you have lots of little headroom here to be able to get off stuff. So that goes a lot easier if you let your exhaust cool down a little bit. That's still a little bit warm. So now that we've gotten that off, we can go ahead and put the new Invidia mid-pipe on. Alright, so now that I've got the mid-pipe here on, the easiest way that I have found to install it is to put this pipe in first, and then put both back halves on. So, let's do it. Alright, so now that we've gotten it all up there, we've gotten it all tied in video, and now basically you can just adjust the hangers to, you know, get them to be even right in the line. There, both of them. And then go ahead and tighten down all those bolts, and we'll be good. Well, let's go ahead and got the car off the jack. Let's go ahead and start it up, see how it sounds. So you guys know that I have gotten a new motor in this car, a new transmission in this car from the Subaru dealership, all under warranty and everything. So just a little thank you, I guess. I will go ahead and put the AutoNation symbol back on there. The guy that I bought the car from liked the Kings, so sorry, I don't watch sports. So I just want to say thank you to the Subaru dealership for helping me out with all my problems with this car. And next to come, guys, I will be putting on a carbon fiber front splitter on there, so we'll see how that goes. Thank you. And make sure to subscribe, and thank you guys for watching. It means a lot to me. Peace.
Cause I am only as young as the minute is full of it. Getting pumped up on the little bright things I want. But I know they'll never own me.